Alright, Math 3. Hope you guys are doing good. I think some of you guys actually watch this video, which thank you guys if you actually do. I'm taking my time a little bit more on yours because I feel like some of you guys actually watch this. So I'll explain. Let's go to classwork. It's the usual. We got your agenda slides. Let's take a look at those. We have a weekly video, which, I mean, if you're hearing this right now, you're totally watching the video. Weekly check-in form, Edpuzzle is simplifying rational expressions this week, and the homework for that is just one page on page 3. And then Wednesday, Thursday, another Edpuzzle multiplying this time, and the homework for that is on one page, but it's like half of the page, so the other half of the page will be for next week. Here's a little bit more. The title of the Edpuzzle. If you're not remembering what rationals are, you can check your function family notes. Those are in our notebooks on page 35, and hopefully that'll give you a reminder of what a rational function is and what it looks like. It's basically just a fraction where you have variables in the numerator and denominator. Open the homework, show your work, scan and upload, and then same thing over here. Edpuzzle, multiplying rational expressions, open the homework, scan and upload. I'm realizing I didn't put the dates in there. I'll go back in and add that later. Yeah, so let's take a look. The two Edpuzzles are here. Remember, if you're struggling with signing in, close Google Classroom, open a new tab, and just go straight to edpuzzle.com, log in as a student. Here's the check-in form. Let's take a look at the homework. There is a little bit of extra notes here if you need it, but I mean, it's not a whole lot. Hold on, for some reason it's not scrolling. Nope, that's not right. Oh gosh. There's a little bit of extra notes, and there's the first night of homework, Monday, Tuesday homework, a little bit of extra notes, and here is Thursday, Friday homework. No, not that one, actually. This one, sorry. So as you can see, this is multiplication, this one's multiplication, this is multiplication. The division ones are the ones that we'll save for next week, okay? So check out the agenda slides if you're not sure which ones to do, which ones to leave. Alright, that's it. Let me set that due date. Like I told you guys, I'm giving you guys till Saturdays now. Yeah, that's it. Take care, and I will talk to you later. Remember to email me or text me if you need anything. Okay? Bye.